Hello, uh, English dot teacher Jessie Morinelli. Aquí. Hello, my name is Inés Flores. I am 28 years old. I am studying telecommunication engineering. I work at the University of North as an electronic security assistant, and I have been working there for a year. I have feel comfortable and happy with my work because I have learning different tasks that are carried out and my coordination. I have de- developed different administrative skills such as generate work order, contract requisition, evaluating project delivery. They also provide coaching and craft course that make me feel very happy and allow me to share with other college. I must comply with many obligations to do a good job, such as complying with a schedule from Monday to Saturday, making final payment reports, confirming that the correct thing is cancelled, and that the suppliers have carried out the work, validating, validating the warranty of the equipping for review and diagnostic, manage new products, keeping the inventory up to date, making sure that the contractor installer and CMAP carry out their duty, keeping my workplace clean and tidy, and be attentive to any requests from my boss. Thank you.